If you are using Claude or Cursor to build your own apps or dashboards, stop because there is a giant cyber attack happening right now. And this one is a doozy. Looking here, it affects most coding agents. Hackers have poisoned the libraries that these tools use to build your apps. Like if you ask the agent to build you a dashboard, it uses certain libraries that's out there on the internet. And these hackers have put some malicious code in there so that when it pulls it in and you run that software, then boom, suddenly you're hacked. And the terrifying thing is this thing has the potential to delete. You can see here it says that it can nuke your home directory when you try and remove it. And it's almost impossible to remove. You think you've removed it, and it just comes back time and time again. Now, obviously, don't panic. The key here is to maybe lie low for a little bit. Don't install any new packages or do any new coding for the next few days. And then do a bit of an audit to check which packages your application is using to try and figure out if you might have been affected. Once that becomes clearer, I'm sure there'll be tools to help us figure out how to get rid of this. But yeah, it's probably a good time to start thinking about how do you avoid this in the future. Number one, I would say, is to make sure that you run your app on a sandboxed environment. So it's not on your main work computer. Like you don't want this on your company laptop where some code like this can get to basically anything, right? That's kind of a scary thought. So that's the first thing. Make sure it's running in a sandbox or on a sandboxed platform out there, so that if something happens, it's on that platform, not on yours. And also, these platforms will generally have a lot of security audits and regular processes to deal with this kind of thing. I know we do, So that's the first thing I would look at. And the second thing is to make sure everything is backed up. Make sure you have copies of everything in the cloud, your source code. Make sure it is controlled with Git. And that's it. Stay safe out there. If you think you've been affected or you write your own apps, maybe drop us a comment and let's chat about it.